First of all, of course, we're gonna look at SPY. I've been recently day trading options on SPY just because it has a lot of volume and it's mildly stable. Like it's not gonna jump up like $5 in 2 minutes because of some news. I mean, it does get impacted by news, but it's not as bad. So I'm gonna turn off the pre-market and aftermarket settings because right now I don't think we need to look at that. Just yeah, that looks fine. So yes, over the last like I would say, let's see. So this is since basically May, the overall stock market, which is sort of portrayed by SPY, has been on a downtrend. It has been trending down from its overall like highs. Here, let's draw maybe a slightly better resistance line on this. All right, guys. So right around here would be the resistance for SPY, just around there. And you guys can see that the stock basically hit the resistance and it had a big, I mean, maybe not big, but a decent sized red candle that went down pretty low before it rebounded up a bit. And you guys can see that it's probably going to test this resistance. If it breaks above, that's great because we're going to be on an uptrend probably after that because there's nothing stopping it. It's probably going to bounce up until like 294 if it does break above this resistance and starts trending up. So that's a good sign. And how I day trade these options, just really quickly, I usually use the Bollinger Bands, or however you call them, Bollinger Bands. I don't know how, it's different how everyone pronounces it, but I look to buy the stock, or buy it like a call, or buy a put, depending on if it's an uptrend or downtrend. So basically, let's say the stock was right around here, and we saw the stock started breaking above the middle Bollinger Band and started bouncing up and down and just bouncing off the top Bollinger Band and the middle Bollinger Band, showing that it's on an uptrend. So let's say we would see that. So we'd probably buy after maybe a little bit right here, let's say. Since it dipped down to the middle Bollinger Band, we would buy it right here, a call. And in the meantime, the stock would probably go up to around here. Maybe would wait it out through a little bit and probably sell around the area of right around here. And that would be a nice profit for our day trading in options. So let's say that would be, how much was this, a movement of 285 and 284. So that was like $1 worth of movement, and that's probably going to be around, I mean, it depends on which kind of call or put option, but you can definitely make around 10% off of something like that. And that would be some nice profits off of just small moves in the market. And it's really quick and simple. You can manage your risk instead of like swing trading options where you can't control what happens overnight, so you can't cut your losses and that kind of stuff. So yes, that's kind of what's up, man. Only 3 people watching. Usually we have like 5 to 8 to 15 people watching. If you're in here, if you guys are watching, I'd recommend if you guys, I mean, I'd like if you guys put something in the comments, in the chat box, so I know you guys are there. So it's not super lonely in here, you know. Yeah. So second stock we're going over. Let's see, QCOM. QCOM, actually maybe not QCOM because QCOM had a huge gap up recently and may not be like forming its own pattern up there yet. Yeah. So maybe not QCOM. Not looking the best right now, but let's go over WWE and then we'll go over Crocs. Welcome, Yellow Evan. Thanks for tuning into the live stream. Thank you so much. Man, something's weird today. Is something going on? Is it like some special day today? Like where everyone's out? I mean, it's a Saturday night. I get it, you know. Uh, but yeah, all right. So WWE, we drew a support and resistance line on the stock. It was looking pretty fine until the earnings day. It just completely destroyed the pattern. It gapped down so hard, and now it hasn't formed like a solid pattern. So I actually don't see any more value into this in the stock. So we'll go over to Crocs and see if it's something better. All right, guys. So Crocs also earnings have destroyed this stock. Oh my gosh, yeah. So previously we drew a pattern on the stock, and it kind of broke below the support, which is kind of sad because I really enjoyed trading this stock. It was a simple uptrending pattern. and it wasn't super volatile usually. But now, since the earnings broke the pattern, who knows when it's gonna rebound next? So, maybe not the best. Let's check out KHC. All right, so KHC also earnings, man, they tanked. Most of these stocks are tanking from the earnings. Yeah, so it was a nice. Wait, what am I doing? This is the same stock. My bad. I was like, why do these look so similar? Yeah, so KHC. So after that huge bounce down, let's see what's up. Did it release its earnings? No, it's supposed to release its earnings Friday after hours, but it just hasn't. So who knows? Maybe they will soon. I don't know if it did happen or didn't, but we'll definitely see it on Monday morning. What happened and how the stock price was affected by it. Let me just delete these trend lines that were made previously, but now they're kind of irrelevant. All right, guys. So, let's see. So KHC, let's try to move back as much as possible without going to that gap. All right, so let's see right around here. So overall, like the low is right around 31.75, and usually the highs of the stock are. Why can't I draw? Oh my gosh, dang it! Something's going wrong with this software right now. I'm sorry, guys. So the resistance is usually right around the area of 33, 30-ish, where it usually bounces down from. And it does take sometimes a little more time, sometimes a little less time for it to go from bottom support and to up to resistance. And also, a thing you have to take into consideration is this SMA line, which has been acting as sort of resistance on the stock pretty recently. So it just bounced down from it here, bounced down from it here, and probably it's going to bounce down from it here as well. So it may be looking to bounce down if no news affects it right now. Yeah, so KHC, maybe not the best buy right now for an uptrend. All right, guys, so ICPT. Let's check out ICPT. I'm concerned. Like, no one's watching except for my man Yellow Evan. If he's still here, what the heck? Am I doing something wrong? Or does everyone like hate me now for some reason? I don't know. Whatever. So yeah, ICPT. It was on a solid support and resistance pattern, and recently it broke below, and it doesn't look like it's showing signs that it's gonna bounce above and continue the pattern. So that is not really a good sign. We may not be looking to buy this stock because solely just because it's at the support right now. So maybe, and it's like below support right now. So maybe not this bad boy today. All right, guys. So I have Supreme stock. Supreme doesn't have a stock, buddy. Just kidding. Wait, no, it doesn't. But like, you know what I mean. Welcome, Gregoire. Any other stocks? Any stocks you guys want me to go over? Man, one person. What is this messed up or is this legit? Here, if you guys are watching this, let me know right now. Is there some like special thing going on today where everyone's outside, home, partying or something? Let's see. All right, so do you guys? Let's see. So recently, it has. Whoa, I had a lot of support and resistance lines drawn on this. All right, so this one's not really relevant anymore. All right, so let's destroy this. I mean, delete this. Okay, so looking at DGAS right now, it just broke above its usual like resistance, which is around 125. Right here, you guys can see that it broke above, and now it's trending a little bit below, which means, I mean, it still looks like it has potential to keep going up because it broke this pretty solidly, or it could have been like a false breakout, and it's still looking to continue to bounce down. I don't see any solid patterns with DGAS though, unfortunately. With the RSI, the only thing we can see, my bad, sorry guys. The only thing we can see is that it's in the mid range, so maybe not be the best buy right now. Alright guys, so I went over a few stocks right now, and I'll be back either later today or tomorrow with another live stream probably. So make sure to stay tuned for that. I just wanted to make today's video a bit shorter, just going a few stocks, over a few stocks. If you guys have no ideas for what to trade this upcoming week. Sorry we didn't find many good stocks, but I have an appointment to go to right now. I have to go. I'm sorry guys, and just peace out and thanks for watching.